Hey, good day everyone. I've got this Doku e-collar for an unboxing and review. Well, here's everything that came in the box. It's got the leash. It's got the anti-tugging dog training collar. It's got the control handle here. And then it's got the second collar here. And then it's got the charging piece, the charging cord, which is a type C. And then this tests out the shock function. I'll show you how this works. Some different probes for different fur sizes of your dog. So if your dog's got longer fur, you're gonna wanna use the longer probes, and you put the covers over those probes after you install them on the back of this, and I'll show you how to do that. They recommend that you attach your leash to this collar instead of this, not the training collar itself. So you'd put this on them, and then when you put the other collar on, you attach the leash there to this little hook right there. Okay, now as far as the charger goes, just hook this to your USB, but you can charge the control handle right there, and then you can charge the collar up at the same time as well. You just flip this little thing up right there, and you can charge them both at the same time with one charger. All right, here's my dog model. He's getting a drink right now. We're gonna go ahead and install these shorter probes because he's got shorter fur. So just go ahead and screw those right in there. Okay, there it is installed. Okay, now to turn this thing on, I just push that green button right there one time. As you adjust the controls on this, you can see the icons there. So you have the beep icon, vibration icon, and the static shock icon as well. And then you have the static shock and vibration level there on the right. So you can set the levels, and I'll show you how to do that. This is power and program, that green button. And then vibration is on the left right there. And then this yellow one's a beep, and the red one's a static shock. And this is how you adjust your levels with the positive and negative. So what you want to do is if you want to adjust the vibration, push vibration, and you can go up on it. If you want to adjust the shock, and go up on that too. And as far as the dog collar goes, to turn it on, you just hold this button down. That red indicator light shows that it's on. And we'll go ahead and test it out here on the table, and we'll do it on the dog. Okay, here's the vibration function. Here's the beep. And then here's the shock. Now I'm gonna show you how to test the shock function. So you set this thing just like that. You'll take this piece and set it on top of there. Real quick too, to tighten these things down, you see those hexagons there? You can just fit that over that and crank them down to the right and tighten them, or loosen it to the left. Okay, now that I've got there like that, I'm gonna go ahead and push the shock button and see what happens here. That lets you know the shock function's working. Every time you push that, the light comes on. So we got a fully functional collar, and it's fully charged. I'll go ahead and put the two smallest probe covers right over that there. So now when it goes on the dog, it should look like that. Now this being an anti-tug collar, so you go ahead and hook your leash right in there. It's got the little clip on there. So it just clips right in here. Okay, it's real important when you're putting this on your dog to not put it too tight. But you want to be able to get your fingers underneath the collar, you know, so you give them some room. You don't want this thing sticking them in there into their skin. All right, so I've got the collar on him. Got the training collar itself on him. I've got it just down below his neck right here. See, it's not too tight for him. Now, in addition to the training collar, go ahead and put this on here. That way we can put our leash right in there. There we go. Let's go for a little walk. Big dog. I've got the leash pretty loose on him right now, so that can be tightened up. Doesn't seem to mind this at all. Come here. Oh. Okay, come on. Come on. Yeah, this is really nice. I give him a little buzz, and he'll listen a little bit better, not pull either. This is great. You can walk him and train him with one hand. Okay, the last thing to power off, you just hold that down. And same thing for the collar.